Let's take a look at how we can use a TI-83 to calculate some statistics using the one variable stats command. If you're starting from the home screen, which presumably is where you'll start if you turn on your calculator, to get to the stats menu, you can choose the stat key, and then in order to create statistics I need to enter the data. So I can choose from the edit menu, I can choose the first option by pressing 1 or by pressing enter, and I can enter those data values into a list. If there's values already there that I don't necessarily want, I can use delete to clear them from the list. Or if there are lots of values, if I'm not sure how many are there, I can go back to the stat key and choose clear list, number 4. If I choose clear list, I need to tell it what list to clear the data from. And the data that we saw there was in list 1, so if I hit second and then choose list 1 by pressing 1, it'll complete the command, and I can hit enter and it will have cleared the data from that list. So I'm going to go back to the stat key and choose edit. I could of course choose to enter the data in any of the 6 lists available, but let's use list 1. So I press each value, enter each value, and hit enter. And then to calculate the one variable statistics, I can simply go back to the stat key, use the right arrow to move over to the calc menu, and one variable statistics is option 1, so I can hit enter or press 1. It'll bring this up to the home screen. I wouldn't necessarily need to choose list 1, that's the default, but I could enter list 1 next to it, and certainly if I had data in a different list, I would want to choose that. I would want to identify that list. And now I can hit enter, and it lists a variety of statistics, including the mean, x bar, the standard deviation, both the sample, Sx, and sigma x, the population standard deviation, both the sample and population standard deviations. The number of values is n, and getting down to the bottom we see a 5-number summary, including the median, which is, of course, 7. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.